Hey guys, today I'm making my granny's biscuit. My granny, guys. So the ingredients: 250 gram of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of coconut, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 cups of flour, 4 eggs. Here's my eggs, 4 eggs, and then a little bit of essence. You can use vanilla. Mine is pineapple vanilla essence. And then milk. So now I'm mixing my stuff, guys. So I'm going to mix my sugar and butter and then mix it together. We are making granny biscuit, guys. My granny. My granny is late and she was in love with this biscuit, guys. So these biscuits are very, very, very special to me. So yeah, guys. So I mix butter and sugar. I mix butter and sugar. You can use white sugar if you want, guys. If you want. But I use brown sugar always. So, yeah. And it's mixed, guys. It's mixed. So a little bit of essence, guys. Just a little bit. 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then mix it together. Mix it together. So now my eggs, my 4 eggs. 1. And mix it. Mix it, mix it. 2. And mix it. 3. Mix it. And then the last one, 4. and then mix it together. Mix it. So it's fine. So now here's my flour. So let's count four teaspoons of baking powder. One, two, three, four. And then we mix it. We mix it together, and now my cup of coconut, and then we mix it together, guys. We mix it together. So now we put our butter, we mix it with flour, we mix it in here. And then we mix it. We mix it. Mix it. Mix it, mix it. Mix it. So guys, you can use milk if it's needed, but if your dough is okay, there's no need to use milk. If it's needed, so my dough is okay. I'm not going to use milk then. No milk needed. So okay guys, I'll put a little bit of flour here, and then my dough. And then my roller. my cutter. Here's the size, guys. So I'm taking it to the oven for 20 to 15 minutes. See you after 15 minutes. So another method, guys, you take your dough, you roll it, put it here, take a fork, and then press it. Okay, it's too far. And then press it. I just put my hand in the flour so that the dough mustn't stuck. And then put it here. And then this is flour. I put my fork in the flour and then press it. Put it here. Put it here. And here. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Please, guys, please, I'm doing all this for you guys, so please, to subscribe is for free, guys. Mahala. So please support the sister, guys. So my oven is on 200, guys, and then I put my biscuit for 15 minutes. Voila. So guys, after 15 minutes, my biscuits are ready. My biscuit, yo guys, this is my granny's recipe. Nice. Try it. You will thank me later, guys. Just try this recipe. So that's my biscuit. Very nice, guys. So yeah, guys, so please comment, please share, and please guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.